Hey, good evening, everybody. What a day today. We're a little bit warmer by about 3 degrees than yesterday. Cool air being pumped through, though. We have much more sunshine. Just told you yesterday, we didn't think we'd see a lot of rain out of it. There goes the low pressure area. This high now is set to build in over the next several days. Once that happens, temperatures are going to go rising slowly, nothing excessive. And as quickly as we go up over the next several days, this low pressure area will start to sweep down once again, pretty much the same way we saw this last one, cruise down through the area. And I think we'll see the same kind of thing, maybe a chance of a few sprinkles, but there won't be anything significant. So we're going to be warmer as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow for Valentine's Day, oh joy, oh joy, oh joy. I'm looking forward to it. Tomorrow, Pat's buying me gifts for Valentine's Day. 67 downtown, the Valley 67. I'm in such trouble. We're going to move it up to around 80 on Saturday, and you can see downtown 78, the beach is 75. Then we'll start to back things off as we go back towards President's Day for the IE 67, high desert 60, mountains coming in at 44, cool at night. Maybe they'll try to make some snow up there. We'll see, but certainly temperature's going to warm up. All kidding aside, Valentine's Day, no matter what you're up to, if you're celebrating it, should be a really, really nice day. Enjoy it. I think tomorrow, Rick Garcia is taking me out for Valentine's Day just so I have something to do. So we appreciate that. We'll see you at 11.